This is my entry into Lock Chuck's 600 giveaway. This little dimple flag pick that I had made out of a auto jiggler that I had laying around because I wanted something thicker and stiffer. I had ordered a set of Moki's AKABs, but got tired of, well, not tired, I'm just an impatient person. So, decided to pick this. Apis 8550 with it. It's not a dimple lock, but should pick just fine. I'm not even on the pen. There we go. Okay, got a falset. Should just be one. And there we go. The handle is aluminum rods that I got from Michael's and super glued it all together and then put some heat shrink tubing on it for a handle. It's pretty stiff. I mean, it's a real short flag, but it worked for what I needed it to do at the time. But congrats on 600 Lock Chuck, and hope you liked the video.